Millions of animals are tested on every single year. We are talking about mice, rats, monkeys, horses, and many more. Some of them are even household pets, such as bunny rabbits, hamsters, guinea pigs, cats, birds, and even dogs. Today, I'm here to persuade my audience that the USDA should make animal testing illegal. I will discuss the problems with animal testing, the solution to making animal testing illegal, and the benefits of making animal testing illegal. Starting off with the problems, one of the main issues is that it's unethical. In an article written by Meredith Lee on the Humane Society's website, it's estimated that more than 25 million animals are forced to endure painful experiments in the United States every single year. And this is just in the United States. They're forced to live in small cages and are forced to live through painful experiments their entire life. Going on to the next point is that it's just not effective. The results are often unreliable and are often inefficient. In an article written on the 23rd of January in 2013 on the Understanding Animal Research website, it says that 90% of drug tests on animals fail when they go to human trials. And there's also multiple examples of this happening. In an article written by John J. Pippin on May 20th, 2014 in the Independent Science News website, he says that we have cured mice of cancer, but we have not cured humans of cancer. If we can cure mice, why can't we cure humans? And in the same article, John J. Pippin mentioned that researchers reported on the existence of 195 published methods that prevented or delayed the development of type 2 diabetes in mice. Yet none of these breakthroughs have ever translated to human medicine. And as everyone here knows, type 2 diabetes and type 1 diabetes are both very bad diseases. And in another article written by Sheila Silcock on the 17th of April in 1992 on the New Scientist website, she says that animal testers don't have one unified goal, they have many goals separated. But she did mention that some are directed at the prevention of human suffering. But what about animal suffering? A third point is that it's a waste of resources. If you think about it, these millions of animals are being tested on for what? For something that's proven not to work? If it's not working, why continue to do it? The next is that it's just the next point is that it's cruel to the animals and is just very not nice. They're forced to live in a small cage their whole lives and are forced to experience painful experiments that are even die during those experiments, even though it's proven not to work. And if this continues, it will continue to fail, and the animals will continue to suffer through painful experiments. Now that we've discussed the problems with animal testing, now let's move on to the solutions to making animal testing illegal. One of the things I can do is get the general population to see the problem and have their own opinion of it while being educated on the problem. If they can make their own opinion while also being educated, they can decide, I'm not going to buy this product anymore because it's not, and this because it's been used in animal testing. And this will discourage companies from using animal testing to make their products. The next thing we would need to do is to get the government's attention and show just how bad the issue is and just how ineffective it is. And if they can see that a lot of people don't like the idea and that it's just not something we should use and it's not effective, they should be able to stop it. And if they choose not to, we can get a petition to have people sign to show just how many people disagree with it, and then show them once again why and how it's bad. I know it will work because it's worked in many other countries, and even a few states in the United States have even banned animal testing. In an article written by Benjamin E. Saway Sawa, and on the 6th of September in 2018, on the World Facts website, he mentions that multiple countries have indeed banned animal testing. This includes the European Union, Israel, India, Norway, Canada, New Zealand, and Taiwan. They have all banned animal testing. If they can ban it, why can't we? Then, now that we've talked about the problems with animal testing and the solutions to making animal testing illegal, now let's talk about the benefits of making animal testing illegal. One of the main benefits is that the millions of animals that are being tested on will be released and will no longer have to suffer through the painful experiments, nor live in small cages, and their lives will be altogether better. The second is that scientists who are focused on animal testing can find something else to be focused on, whether it's whether it's other kinds of research or finding, even creating new ways to do testing without using animals. And alternate ways I have found is, one of them is to study on the bodies of that were donated to science. They may not be able to get all of them, but they can still do some of them on that. And another option was on was Genoskin, or El Vivo Genoskin, which uses human skin, which was donated after a surgical procedure, and the skin is kept alive for 7 days to allow for repeated topical applications. And another one is to replace animal testing is with computer models or biochemicals or even cell-based systems. And these are all more reliable than animal testing. And I got all this information from an article written by Loa A, Jeff Tick M, Jorhia F, Hendrik H, and it was written in 2018 in the National Institute of Health Sciences. Today, my intention was to persuade my audience that the USDA should make animal testing illegal. I've discussed the problems with animal testing, the solutions to making animal testing illegal, and the benefits of making animal testing illegal. Now let's stop the suffering of animals and to stop using ineffective and inefficient and unreliable methods. Please contact animal care at USDA.gov to help stop animal testing. You can also go to both Humane Society's website and PETA's website to donate money to help support their cause to stop animal testing. And you can also get more information on animal testing on their websites. Now, let's make the world a better place for both animals and humans.